Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain if DeepSeek can create files that are structured like JSON, XML or YAML. So yes, it can. As you can see, I've asked it about configuration files for Visual Studio Code, and as you can see, it gave me the answer. So it just explained which files are needed. So the tasks JSON and land JSON are mandatory. Then there is an optional file which is settings.json, and as you can see, it just generates them. Also, you need to remember that if it generates something, then if it says, for example, your project name, you obviously need to change the name. Although it can create everything just like that, it can also give me the settings.json. Also, it shows me the steps to set everything up, and it can also give me notes on that. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.